Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, my wife and I are actually up early. We are getting ready to head out to Redington to go do some more shooting. So we did just go out shooting a couple days ago, but this time we are actually going out with a goal of getting my wife's AR sighted in. So we just installed a new optic on it and we need to make sure we get it zeroized. So after that though, we did buy a new Browning Buckmark 22 long rifle pistol. So we got that guy for cheap target shooting, be fun to shoot, maybe eventually suppress it even. From there, we might also do some more 6.5 Creedmoor shooting, get a little more comfortable with it because I do plan on going out and taking it hunting hopefully next year. Um, but as far as that's the main goal of what we have today, figured I'd do a more long form video rather than just doing the shorts and let you see a little more of what's happening. So we're going to have to drive out to the range, but stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the following content. High and right. That's good. And then you're right, so you need to go left.
Were you looking?
It looked like it went just right. Maybe just right again. Looked like it was again over right and over the shoulder. Hey, raise your mic up. High and right. Aim at the 2x4, the bottom of it, or the bottom of the target at the 2x4. And just left. Aim at the bottom left corner. That's weird.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. $100.
Oh. Can you get me? Oh. Can you get me another box?
What?
You didn't even shoot it though.
No. That's weird.
Oh, I forgot the bag was right here.
Huh?
The bag.
Damn. It came loose again.
That's the issue that I've had with this, because it's so violent.
Yeah. Oh, that wasn't what. These are what I tightened down.
You don't want that?
Huh?
Oh, this has risers on it.
Well, it does, but this was when that was on there before. It was all the way back, so I was just putting it back where your eye relief was. Maybe that is the problem. Yeah.
I don't know.
You know what? I'm taking this off. I want to do it without that riser on there. And see.
So you have to read that too?
Yeah. I want to see if I can get it a good 0 without that on there. Or it's going to shoot a mile above it. Alright, hey. So, that one was clear. You were definitely very high. But it looked like you were pretty centered. Definitely, it came down, still needs to go down more. So. There we go.
Did I hit it again?
Yeah. Change your hold? Alright, there you go. So, now we definitely hit the target. So now I guess transition over to the paper and we'll kind of walk it in from there.
I have no idea. And I can't stand like that.
I can.
You can see it?
Yeah. Well, I smoked the gopher.
I want to try.
So, I think I was aiming dead center of the gopher, and I hit dead center of the gopher.
Stupid hill.
Oh, and we need more bullets. Oh.
We are zeroed.
I hit it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a cool red dot though.
Well, at least you can hit something now. Alright. Let's try again.
These magazines going here. Oh shoot, I didn't do that. Okay.
Just left, but center. Last one I had to hit steel.
But yeah, it looks pretty consistent. What it's hitting.
What was wrong? Didn't grab.
Well, everyone, if you made it this far in the video, thank you for staying all the way till the end. I greatly appreciate it. As you saw, we did get the AR zeroed. We ended up swapping out optics because the first one, it was a cheaper one that I had gotten for free that I wanted to try out and see how we liked it. And I wasn't really a fan, so decided to put the other one back on and remove the riser and remove the red dot that was causing us to have the riser on. From there, once that got sighted in, definitely happy with its zero being at 100. The 6.5 Creedmoor, it's pretty spot on. I don't want to do any more zeroizing with it just because I do plan on swapping out the stock on it for a chassis, or at least one that has a sorry, Pepper's out here chewing her ball and making a lot of noise. But I do plan on swapping out the stock for the 6.5 with a adjustable comb and butt plate, so I can adjust the length of pull and everything, make it more fitted to me. One of the issues I have with that rifle is getting a good eye relief, getting a good hold on it. Otherwise, it shoots great. But yeah, the 22 long rifle, that Browning Buckmark pistol that we just got, definitely a fan of. It's nice. Enjoyed shooting it. It's cheap to shoot, so it definitely make for some fun plinking. But anyways, guys, I appreciate it for watching the whole video. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, make sure the notification bell is on, and we will do our best to get more content in the near future, whether it's off-roading, shooting, or just something random. We'll see. But anyways, guys, take it easy, stay safe, stay out of trouble, and as always, do something nice for someone. Peace.